Good morning, everyone. Sky is the limit, amassing to AI to engineering the ultimate drone for applications. Now we will look after the today's topic. So hi, I am Mohammad Kaif from the 21 MIM 10076 AI batch. Now we will look after the PPT. So now we will look the introduction to AI drones. First we will look what is the AI drones in this world and what is the functions of drones to do in this world. See, simply the drones are taken to fly for the military's operations, to look after the enemies, and also the supporting works for the agriculture. Means the agriculture, the spraying of the fruit crops, and looking after the crops management. These are the introduction. And the AI in this introduction to drone is that through the AI we can predict the areas which are getting damaged and which are not getting the damage. So this is the AI. Now we will understand the precision applications. The precision application requires accuracy. Accuracy for the agriculture to surveillance in the AI, and for the fields in the field of crop, and making the crucial for industry that high demand of precision. Now AI technologies for drones. The technologies for drones is the computer vision and sensor technology is key to developing smart drones. So by enhancing the effectiveness in various applications, the integration allows for improved obstacles detection, real data processing, and ability to adapt, which means the adaptation of the work from the AI drones can be worked throughout the world to see. Now designing an ultimate drone means ultimate drone combines aerodynamics, which can be flown or the octa-core, or by Gambler it can be taking the efficiency and AI capabilities. The components for customizing based on efficiency, advancements in autonomous navigation. So what is autonomous navigation? Autonomous navigation is like that the battery technologies and the drone to be fly over, it detects the obstacles itself only, and removes the path from it and then continue to the path which it was going to conduct the target. So this is the autonomous. Now the challenges and solutions. While integration of AI and drones, it represents exciting opportunities for various drones and including agriculture logistics, which must be addressed include voluntary handling that can show down the development. So the data securities can be seen to the challenges that faces through are mainly the battery issues and the target we have to go through, the time delays and not much the time to be taken for drones to done the work. So we can do that we can assign the path very efficient and short path for the drones to fly. Now the future and conclusion of the AI is that emerging technologies together we can explore new horizons, and by integrating advanced sensors, the machine learning algorithms which can be worked through in drones can be like that the fulfilling of transform industries. The journey ahead is filled with the potential. Our laboratory efforts will shape the next generation of aerial technologies. So thank you. Here we go for the PPT of the drones. Thank you so much.